Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to sketch ideas, highlight parts of a design or create hand-drawn elements, Canva includes a built-in drawing tool that lets you draw directly on your canvas. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to draw in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, I want you to open your existing, your Canva first. Open an existing design. Okay, or click create and create a new one. So let's choose a existed one first. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. Drawing works on in any design format. Okay, so now look at the left sidebar. Okay, here as you can see, we have tools. Okay, you have many options here. If you don't see it, I mean the draw, just put the mouse put the mouse on the the option and you will see the name of this option. So here we have draw. Okay, so tap it. So if you don't see it, click apps, search for draw, open the drawing tool. Okay, so the draw tool is built into Canva. So you will see several brushes types. Okay, pen, marker, highlighter, glow pen. So click a brush style or anything. So for example, let's choose this one. Okay, select the one you prefer. Each brush has a different visual effects. Okay, and you can use you can use this to draw anything you want. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.